how to withdraw, how to send, how to pay bills, how to get the details of your account that you have already created. These are the procedures. Now, if you want to get the details of your card, look at the app that you have already opened. At the bottom, click at accounts. The account that you have created, it will be displayed there. Now, when you want to get the details of the account that you have created, you have to click the card, like I've done. Then, these are my transactions that I've been doing with my card. But for you, since you're trying to create your virtual ATM card, you can try to get the details. You can see these are the details. The label, the card label, the card name, the card number, expiry date, CVV, billing address, and the zip code. If you want to fund your card, your ATM virtual card, you want to fund, you can see mine is 00. For example, if I want to do some shopping online, you want to shop online like of Jumia, Alibaba, whatever, and I want to use this Visa, the virtual ATM card, so I have to fund. I have to fund my card. So this is how you fund it. Input the money that you want to load into your account. Let's say in my case I input $2. Continue. Click continue. Now you should note this card is funded from the amount that is inside your fragile account. Now, if you want to fund your card, you are supposed to make sure your fragile account has got money, and this is the procedure how to fund your fragile account. I think I showed you earlier on the previous lesson, and this is how you do it. Add the money, enter your amount, 200 for example, click done, then continue. Then you choose your method which you want to fund your fragile account. If it is M-Pesa, click M-Pesa, input your number, then pay. Thereafter you'll be given a prompt to enter your M-Pesa PIN. And if you have enough money that you are funding, the money will be directly transferred from your M-Pesa to your fragile account. And that is all. If you want to request money, in this case, using your fragile account, you can request money to someone or someone else who is in your phone book. Let us say I want to request money to somebody known as Wi-Fi2. I want the person to give me 200. So I will directly request money, and she will directly receive an SMS that I'm requesting her to fund me or to give me 200 Kenyan shillings. That is how to request money. You can even send the money. When you want to send the money, click there, please send the money. You can send to mobile number if you want to send to M-Pesa, whatever the case. These are the procedures. If you want to send to bank account, send to bank account. These are the procedures. If you want to send to someone else directly, want to send to the number directly, cannot send the money to myself. You can see You want to send money to someone else, put 200. Then click send. Then I have to input my PIN. You know that if I had enough money, the money that I'm sending will automatically go to the recipient. Now, when you want to pay bills, come here. You can see if you want to buy airtime, if you want to pay DSTV, whatever it is there. But my tutorial was about on how to fund your accounts, your virtual ATM card. The procedure are the same. Since now I have shown you how to fund your Flative account, it will be easier for you to fund your account, since funding your account only needs you to have money in your Flative account. So with some amount in your Flative account, it will be easier to fund your account, your virtual ATM. Click fund, enter the money that you want to fund your virtual ATM card, click continue. Thereafter, the money will be transferred from your Flative account to this virtual ATM card. If you want to draw the same case, you want to draw, input the amount that you want to withdraw, 200, then withdraw. Input your transaction PIN for withdrawing. If you have sufficient money in your virtual ATM card, it will directly be withdrawn. Details of the card, these are the details, and that is all.